Receiving relay calls, a guide for businesses, organizations, and individuals. What is a relay service? A relay service enables people who are deaf, hard of hearing, deaf-blind, or have difficulty speaking to communicate with standard telephone users. This service is free. If you receive a call that starts like this,
"Hello, this is Relay Operator 3600. Have you received a relay call before?"
please do not hang up. This is the time to ask questions about the process of how a relay call works. The operator can explain to you how to proceed and respond to the caller. Tips for a successful relay call. Talk slow so the communication assistant, the CA, can type or sign what you are saying. Speak directly to the caller, not to the communication assistant. Be patient. The call might take longer with pauses. Confirm the caller's phone number. Caller ID might display a different number. To make a relay call, dial 711. Give the caller's phone number to the CA. They will connect you. For more information, contact Northern Virginia Resource Center for Deaf and Hard of Hearing Persons, or contact Virginia Relay at varelay.org.